yes, I'm the bigger man. Literally. Bigger man.
Yeah, you can see I'm skinny. If me put you, thank God I feel so skinny.
Looks can be deceiving. I have a feeling guys don't know rules of being a hot dog funga. I can tell you the truth. The rules of being a chips funga is that 1, you see the sun, you hepa the door. Give your game. Toa game yako yote on that night. Because that is how you get a repeat performance. Because honestly, a chipo will not be called again for 2 reasons. 1, you are that bad. Or 2, there's something you did after the chipoing that turned the dude off. So, advice. Just live on your own volition. Stop waiting for the jama to actually tell you, oh, you know, niko na biashara. We even call our boys to come up with excuses so as to get you out of our house. Kuna boy anakam, kuna dem anakam, as in you'll always get an excuse to chase the chick. But if you are a good chipo, you will know. Tembea na Yesu. Unataka fare sawa, shika.
For chicks who chukua a hot dog, I know you go for something presentable, something that tuiangalia asubuhi kwa zile za, oh, you're leaving, okay, bye. You know, see ile ingine like ukishamaliza it's morning, you're the first one to kanyaga bed, uko kitchen unajipatia shughuli. Nimekuwekea vitu zako hapo. Oh yeah, see you next time, eh? And that time there's no next time. So as in for me, chipo something presentable, kitu utaiangalia asubuhi kwa like yenyewe it was worth it. Hata kama it won't happen again, utakuwa yenyewe. Yeah, atabaki na memories na mimi nitabaki na memories.
I'll be honest, I'm talking as a guy. A guy will cheat due to 3 reasons. Either he does not feel mentally stimulated by you. Emotionally. Unajua kwanza, you know why older guys get these chicks, these small chicks, even without sex, is because of the companionship. Ile akienda kwa wife, akiingia kwa nyumba tu hivi, unajua ile anapata sasa wewe umetoka wapi? Umefanya nini? Sasa kwa nini unafanya nini? Lakini akienda kwa the young one, anaambiwa, babe umefika. Sawa, kuja lala. Pole.
For me, my parting shot is don't funga, don't be fungward. It's better off you tafuta a friend with benefits.
Yes. Because with that you get part of the emotional,
chemistry.
Yes, part of the emotional and physical chemistry. Because honestly, I'll be honest with you, having sex with somebody you have no ties to, no connection with, it is too mechanical.
Yeah.
Let it be emotional.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So yeah, friends with benefit, go all the way. That one is, yeah, cause he'll be your friend, he'll be your companion, and no strings attached. Hakuna ma feelings involved. You know, you just come, need some service, or hi ukwapi, service ni aje leo, and you do your thing. So it's that I love friends with benefit. It pushes you from a lot of things, STDs. Because I can imagine you fungaing every weekend. In a month, that's like 4 chicks. In a year, in 5 years, how many will you have fungad? Utakuwa exposed to so many things. So do friends with benefit. If it doesn't work out for you, tafuta a chick that you're going to start something and maybe, yeah. So,
don't chipo. Please don't chipo.
Never ever.
Get into a relationship with the person that you have mental, emotional and physical chemistry with.
Don't funga hapana iyo.
Tumesema no
Kabisa.
So even if you're doing you, boo, do it safe.